How's your relationship to time? Like, are you a drama queen about not having enough time? I want you to know that your mindset about time is going to have a fundamental impact on your behavior. Our thoughts are habitual, and our mindset really is a collection of thought habits. So if you've gotten in the habit of being stressed about time and having a bunch of panicked thoughts, here are the 3 things that are going to happen. Number 1, you're going to be tired because you know what? Getting stressed out is exhausting. Number 2, you're probably gonna be a little bit stupider because when we're panicked or stressed, it literally shuts down parts of our brain that are responsible for creativity and seeing things in new ways. So not very good for problem solving. And number 3, you're probably gonna procrastinate more because I know this is so ironic, but when people are really stressed about not having enough time, often they procrastinate because they don't want to feel the stress about not having enough time. Right now, you might be thinking, fuck off, I don't have enough time, you don't know my life. And that's true. But the thing about mindset work is it isn't about arguing with facts. It's about framing a situation and focusing your thoughts in a way that's going to serve you. And being a drama queen about time is not serving you at all. So here's what you need to do. You need to start appreciating the time you have, caring for it in a way where your thoughts can be about what you want to do with it. Focus on caring about time because we take better care of the things we care about than the things that we fear or that stress us out. And the more you focus your thoughts that way, the easier it's going to get. Mindset work is not a quick fix. It's not an overnight thing. But if you're serious about changing your relationship to time, working on your mindset is the best thing you can do. Join us for Reset Lab, our mindset reset, and we're going to show you how it all works.